everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll break down the top 10 mutual funds with the most 5-star ratings you can invest in easily on trading apps like Grove, Angel One, and more, helping you make smarter choices for your investments in 2025. Top 10 most 5-star mutual funds. Choosing 5-star rated mutual funds can help new and experienced investors find funds with consistent performance, managed risk, and a solid reputation. Platforms like Grove and Angel One use independent ratings from agencies like Value Research, based on long-term returns and volatility, so you can trust these options to be some of the best in the market. Let's dive right into the top 10 5-star mutual funds, their basic details, and why they stand out. These picks combine recent 5-star ratings, multi-year high returns, and broad availability on digital brokerages. 1. HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund Category, Mid-Cap Equity Risk, very high latest 1-year return, 8.6% 5-year CAGR, 32.9% available on Grove, Angel One. 2. Bandhan Small Cap Fund Category, Small Cap Risk, very high latest 1-year return, 4.5% 5-year CAGR, 33.5% available on Grove, Angel One. 3. SBI Long Term Equity Fund Category, ELSS, Tax Saving, Risk, very high latest 1-year return, 6.3% 5-year CAGR, 29.0% available on Grove. 4. Bandhan Core Equity Fund Category, Core Equity Risk, very high 1-year return, 12.4% 5-year CAGR, 31% available on Grove. 5. ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund Category, Thematic, Infrastructure Risk, very high 1-year return, 3.6% 5-year CAGR, 35.7% available on Grove. 6. Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund Category, Mid-Cap Risk, very high 1-year return, 4.2% 5-year CAGR, 35.1% available on Grove. 7. Franklin Build India Fund Category, Infrastructure Risk, very high 1-year return, 0.0% 5-year CAGR, 33.7% available on Grove. 8. SBI Healthcare Opportunities Fund Category, Healthcare Risk, very high 1-year return, 12.7% 5-year CAGR, 21.5% available on Grove. 9. Motilal Oswal Large and Mid-Cap Fund Category, Large and Mid-Cap Risk, moderately high 1-year return, 7.1% 5-year CAGR, 30.0%. 10. Invesco India Small Cap Fund Category, Small Cap Risk, very high 1-year return, 7.4% 5-year CAGR, 33.3%. These 5-star funds are best for long-term wealth building. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one fund or category. Check the minimum investment amounts. Many of these funds let you start with as little as Rupee 100 to Rupee 1000. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Refer to SEBI, mutual fund documents, and consult a financial advisor if needed. If you found this video useful, smash that like button, share this with friends, and subscribe for more actionable investment ideas. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Fund name 5-year CAGR Category HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund 32.9% Mid-Cap Bandhan Small Cap Fund 33.5% Small Cap SBI Long Term Equity Fund 29.0% ELSS Bandhan Core Equity Fund 31.0% Core Equity ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund 35.7% Infrastructure Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund 35.1% Mid-Cap Franklin Build India Fund 33.7% Infrastructure SBI Healthcare Opportunities Fund 21.5% Healthcare Motilal Oswal Large and Mid-Cap Fund 30.0% Large and Mid-Cap Invesco India Small Cap Fund 33.3% Small Cap